What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix network issue on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click scroll down to and now I click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now I click on reset. So how to fix network issue? So you will see second option is reset network settings. So click on reset network setting, enter phone passcode. So again enter passcode. So click on reset network setting. So it just reset network setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix network issue on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.